but oh my God, it took forever. Honestly, it couldn't be easier. Both straight from frozen. If you like the idea of having fluffy pancakes on the table in 60 seconds, then you'll like today's video. I'm going to be sharing my favorite pancake recipe, which never fails me when it comes to making fluffy pancakes, as well as sharing the best ways to freeze them, and of course, reheat. So I'm going to post a link to the full recipe below, but we start off just by melting the butter. Now I do this in the microwave because, well, it's easier. And once that's melted, just put it to one side to cool down, and then it's a case of mixing the dry ingredients. And make a well in the center and add 3 eggs and vanilla extract and a splash of the milk. You then mix it together and add the milk slowly until all the lumps are gone. So you can use an electric mixer for this if you like, or by hand works fine too. Once all the milk is in, then it's time to add the butter and just carry on mixing it until it's smooth. Then all you need to do is just fry them on a medium heat. Now, if you want these straight away, keep them warm in the oven on a really low heat. But if you're making extra to freeze, pop them straight onto a cooling rack to help them cool. And when it comes to freezing them, honestly, it couldn't be easier. So firstly, you need to make sure that they have fully cooled down. So I tend to leave them for a good half hour, 40 minutes until they are fully cool. And then all you need to do is cut up some squares of baking paper and place them between each pancake. Then pop the stack of pancakes straight into a labeled freezer bag and they're ready to freeze. So the reason for the baking paper is to quite literally just stop them sticking together. And it means you can use them straight from frozen. Now I forgot, I actually already had some in the freezer, which is perfect because it means that I can show you now in real time how quick and easy it is to reheat your frozen pancakes. Now for Pancake Day last year, I actually tested 3 different ways that you could reheat pancakes. I'm only going to show you 2 because honestly, the third way just wasn't worth the effort. So I froze the batter, I didn't cook them, but I froze the batter in little food cubes, and I then cooked that cube of batter straight from frozen. I mean, don't get me wrong, the pancakes came out fine, but oh my God, it took forever. So anyway, there's 2 easy ways I'd recommend reheating the pancakes, both straight from frozen. One is to just put it straight in the toaster, which does add a little bit of a crisp. Or the second way, which is my personal favorite way to reheat, is to just pop it straight in the microwave. So I microwaved this on full power for 60 seconds, and you can see that is still steaming hot, so it probably didn't even need 60 seconds. But of course, if you wanted to, you could also just defrost and eat them cold. There's no need to reheat if you're packing it in a lunchbox. And there we go. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for lots more content helping you have easier meal times and realistic meal prep. The link to the recipe is below. Thanks for watching.